Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a smoothie with banana. Here I have 2 banana, 1 apple, my chia seed, at least 2 spoons, and just a handful of cashew. You can always use peanut. And this is my oats, and I'm gonna use 1 cup, okay? And I'm also gonna add some almond milk, and I'm gonna use a All Pro brand. You can use whichever one you have, okay? It doesn't matter. So here I have my jug for my blender. So first I'm just gonna start off by just cutting my banana just a bit, okay? I really like this smoothie. I make it a lot of time. It is so healthy, guys, and it's so quick. Super quick to make. And I'm just gonna add my apples. I'm just gonna cut my apple a bit, okay? That's when it's blending, it's blend faster. I'm gonna add my chia seed. My cashew, my oats. Just want to try and push it down. And now I'm gonna add my almond milk. I'm gonna add at least 2 cups, okay? I don't want it to be super thick. So I just screw on my lid on my blender. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it all up. So guys, it is all blend, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, just look at all that goodness. It's not too thick, because as I said, I don't want it to be super thick, okay? If you want, you can always add some more oats to it, yeah? But this is good for me. I'm telling you, look at it guys. It is so smooth, so rich. Oh my goodness, this is like, and it is so healthy guys, super healthy. Everything that I use is all natural, good for your body. Look at that, perfect. So here I have my mason jar. So I'm just gonna add some of it in there. Super, super delicious, guys. Oops. And I'm gonna also add some to a bowl. This is like breakfast on the go, guys. You can even, you know, make it the night before and just store it in your fridge. I'm just gonna add some chia seed just for presentation. You don't have to do it. And these chia seed, guys, filled with so much iron. It's so good for your body. Let me know if you try this recipe, okay? Comment below and tell me. And don't forget, guys, to share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. So now, guys, I'm just gonna taste some of it for you guys and tell you what it's like. If you want, you can always cut, you know, the apple and the banana, and you can always add it to your smoothie, okay? And you can also add some strawberry, some raspberry, you know? Yes. Let me taste it. Do you see that? You want some, guys? Take some. Oh gosh. So good. So good, guys. This thing right here, I'm telling you, it full of so much goodness. It is so creamy, a bit sweet, and you know, it's really good, guys. And as I said, it's good for your body. You know, this is a nice healthy breakfast. And if you want to lose weight, you can even make this, like, you know, every morning or so, and it can help you, you know, lose some weight. Yeah, I don't really do it every day, but sometimes, you know, I do make it. Well, guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share it. Give me a big thumbs up, okay? Thank you all. Until next time. Bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.